In today's video, I am going to teach you how to merge new component to another component. We'll use Figma's built-in combine as variance feature, which is perfect for grouping related components like different states of a button into a single tidy component set. That's easy to manage and swap between. First, make sure the items you want to merge are both main components. In Figma, a main component is the source that drives all its instances. If your items are just regular frames or instances, convert each one into a main component. Select an item, right-click and choose Create Component, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+K on Windows or CMD+ Option +K on Mac. Repeat for the other item. A quick tip: you can confirm you are working with main components by selecting them and checking the right-hand sidebar for component controls. If you only see instance controls, it's not a main component yet. Next, select both main components at the same time. Hold Shift and click each component either directly on the canvas or from the Layers panel. You should see both highlighted, and the right-hand sidebar will reflect that you have multiple components selected. Now click Combine as Variance in the right-hand sidebar. Figma will wrap your selected components into a single component set. Visually, you'll notice a dashed outline around the set, and each original component will appear as its own tile within the set. This doesn't change their designs, it just organizes them into one parent component that supports properties and variant switching. With the set created, manage the properties so everything is clear and consistent. In the Properties section on the right, rename the default property 1 to something descriptive, like state. Then name each variant value in a way that matches its purpose. For example, default and hovered. Clear names make your set easier to use later. Especially on larger design systems, consistency pays off when teammates search for and switch variants. Finally, use your new component set in your designs. Open the Assets panel. Find your component set and drag an instance onto the canvas. With the instance selected, look to the right-hand sidebar and use the drop-down to switch between the merged variants. You can toggle between default, hovered, or any other values you defined without duplicating layers or swapping components manually. If you ever need to edit the design, update the main component set and all instances will inherit those changes. That's it. Thanks for watching.